Go big or go home with the SMOK Stick V9 Max kit. This stick mod / tank combo is all about giving you a lot while still retaining portability and ease of use. Are you already a fan of SMOK Stick mod line and need to add this to your collection? Head on over to Vape by checking the link in the top right corner. And now the SMOK Stick V9 Max kit is one of two mods that are the successor to the V8 line. The V9 Max has a 28mm width with a height of 87.8mm. The internal battery for this thing is pretty beefy, coming in at 4000 mAh. The body is made of rugged stainless steel and has a large diamond-shaped fire button with a smart LED indicator to tell you how much power you have left. Green means more than 70%, orange means 30 to 70%, and red means it's time to charge with less than 30% battery left. It also has the built-in protections you've come to expect with internal battery mods, so all in all, it does the job. But as usual, I'm sure you want to hear about the tank. And it's a doozy. The V9 Max tank has a huge 8.5ml juice capacity. That's a lot of juice, my friends. The top cap has a push button swivel open top fill, which is easy enough to open to fill your tank up. Now I will state that while the swivel top opens easy enough, it does need a little bit of pressure to close. Nothing that is a deal breaker, but something to bear in mind. The bottom of the V9 tank has 3 massive fully adjustable airflow holes, giving you more than enough breathing space for huge clouds. Did I mention that this tank is compatible with the TF V8 Baby V2 line of coils? Because it is. Speaking of which, the tank comes pre-installed with the S1 single mesh coil rated for 0.15 ohm. There is an S2 quadruple coil in the box. Both coils vape wonderfully, although I will say that I was partial to the coil that was pre-installed, but that's the mesh lover in me. In the end, would I get one? Pff, with that battery and tank? Yup, you should too. Get yours at Vape Wild today. 8.5ml capacity, that's ridiculous. Have you seen the size of this tank? It is a big one. It's so big. The whole setup is huge. But I love it. I gotta go. I gotta play with this thing some more. Cloud time. It's cloud time.